Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, money. Specifically, I'm going to be discussing how Borrowell determines which loans or credit cards you can qualify for. Now, I know that this can be a bit of a sensitive subject, but I think it's important to be transparent about how these things work. After all, the last thing you want is to apply for a loan or credit card and get rejected. So, let's get started. How does Borrowell determine which loans or credit cards I can qualify for? There are a number of factors that Borrowell considers when making this decision. The most important factor is your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for a loan or credit card. Other factors that Borrowell considers include your income, your employment history, your debt-to-income ratio, the length of your credit history, your credit utilization ratio. Once Borrowell has considered all of these factors, they will make a decision on whether or not to approve you for a loan or credit card. If you are approved, they will then determine the interest rate and terms of your loan or credit card. What can I do to improve my chances of being approved for a loan or credit card? There are a number of things you can do to improve your chances of being approved for a loan or credit card. Here are a few tips. Check your credit score. You can get a free copy of your credit report from Equifax or TransUnion. Once you have your credit report, you can review it for any errors. If you find any errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. Pay your bills on time. Making your payments on time is one of the best ways to improve your credit score. Keep your credit card balances low. It's important to keep your credit card balances low. A high credit utilization ratio can hurt your credit score. Don't apply for too many credit cards. Applying for too many credit cards in a short period of time can also hurt your credit score. Borrowell uses a number of factors to determine which loans or credit cards you can qualify for. By following the tips in this video, you can improve your chances of being approved. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Until next time.